It has been tried in the past, but maybe this time it will work on the EDSA Busway. Timers at loading and unloading points.
Timers are now installed at 13 loading and unloading bays of the EDSA Busway. The Department of Transportation says this is to ensure efficient movement of buses and transport of passengers. Timers feature 3-aspect signal lanterns, 2-digit timers, pole lighting, and traffic signal controller with detector cord and loop detectors. According to the DOTR, buses stopping at the EDSA Busway stations will be allotted 30 seconds each to unload and load passengers. The timer will reset after each bus leaves. However, the maximum loading and unloading time may be changed later upon recommendation of the Interagency Council for Traffic and the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority. The DOTR reported that only 406 out of 550 authorized to operate on the EDSA Busway are being deployed daily by the consortium of operators. It added that more buses on the EDSA Busway will mean more efficient and more convenient transport service for residents and workers in Metro Manila who ride the buses daily.
The timers should help curb the bad habit of bus drivers and conductors taking their own sweet time at loading and unloading bays.